First and foremost, today I'm going to show you how to create a drop down list in Excel. So first, insert the item in a new worksheet uh, you would like to have in your drop down list. Once that is done, um, then you go to location where you want your list to appear. So you select the cell, then you highlight the rest of the cells. Then you go to data, click on data, then click on data validation. Then under allow, change to list. Then highlight insert the list here, highlight the items in the previous list worksheet that you had created. Then you're good to go. You're able to highlight or select very easily. You can also create this manually. You can create manually, highlight the cells, then you go to data validation, then list, change to list. Then you can type in your items and separating with a comma. So that's basically how it works. Then you're able to choose, yeah, very easily and nicely, like that. You can be able to choose your list of items from the drop down you've created. So try it out. Let me know by commenting on the video, like and share. Thank you.